Welcome everyone. We are at MIG 2026, the partner event of ModuleWorks. I'm Gürsel Demircali, Chief Strategy and Transformation Officer. Today I'm joined with two industry partners using our SmartRoughing. We are here to talk about how SmartRoughing combines physics-based intelligence and geometric analytics to optimize machining performance. It delivers faster cycle times, longer tool life, and easier programming for users of all skill levels. Alexander Krödel from Kennametal and Alexander Freund from Autodesk. Could you briefly introduce yourself?
Sure, yeah. If I may start. So, as you said, my name is Alex Krödel, working for Kennametal. We are a tooling supplier, providing metal cutting tools. And my role at Kennametal is actually I'm leading what we call internally the digital innovation team.
Hi, I'm Alexander Freund. I'm the Director of Product Management for the Autodesk Fusion manufacturing team. Fusion is a design and make platform that serves millions of users globally. Users in machine shops that need to machine a variety of materials and so on, they're always seeking for ideal cutting speeds, right? And the challenge is to find something that has a balance between getting the quality done, a reliable tool path so that the tools run through the whole process, but as well, of course, it needs to be profitable.
When a customer has a problem with the process, it's just, most of the time it's actually a roughing process.
Yeah.
Because a roughing process just has the highest loads on the tool, so it's most challenging, obviously. And our customers, they typically today, especially if they are in countries like North America and Europe, they need to run completely lights out over some time, right?
Yes.
And that's really the challenge. SmartRoughing takes a step forward by integrating cutting physics into the CAM system. So it makes sure that your cutting process respects the limit that you have when you have your machining job, such as, for example, the machine tool spindle, the spindle interface, but also the maximum allowable loads that your tools might have.
Our customers can load the app, select their material and the tool that they have from Kennametal, or even order a new one if they need a new one for a special material or a new geometry situation. And that is really easy for the customers. They don't have to worry about, oh, I need to go. They could go to a catalog and so on, but they can just stay in Fusion, select the material, select the tool, and get going, right?
The one most obvious thing that we believe in is it delivers more productivity. So we've actually done together with Autodesk, so we were able to do some testing also in your Birmingham facility, and we have done testing in the US and in Germany. We've seen productivity improvements depending on the job of roughly 30%.
You are having an increased productivity by shortening machining times, but also by shortening the CAM process. So it's a win-win situation in the end for the customers.
We just have to make a step forward so that we can remain competitive. The industry can remain competitive, and SmartRoughing, in my opinion, is an important building block of that getting more competitive and making this a standard.
If you want to have access to SmartRoughing, you don't have to look too far away, right? It's in the App Store. You can load it from there and get going, right? I mean, it's that simple. So access is not a problem with our solution. And that was a big goal to go Kennametal to have our big platform as a platform also for this new technology. We believe really in the open platform and want to give this platform to for others to leverage that and give access to a broad machining group. And this is how we did that, right? So
Yeah.
probably.
Yeah, so I really like this platform approach. Also, how easy it is to launch something like, which is a very advanced plugin actually.
Yes.
Like it does pretty advanced stuff. But you can easily integrate it, get it via the App Store, and make it available to lots of customers.
Thank you for the partner interview. I had enjoyed it a lot, so thank you guys.